Styleharbora is marketed as an online boutique offering trendy women's clothing at attractive prices. The website features stylish product photos and frequent discounts. But the real question is, can you trust this boutique store? Now, to be fair, many online boutiques offer fashionable clothing at competitive prices, and shopping from a newer brand doesn't automatically mean it's untrustworthy. What it does well: trendy fashion selection. The store offers a variety of dresses, tops, outerwear, and everyday fashion pieces. Affordable pricing. Regular promotions and discounts can make many items appear to be good value. Where the hype falls apart, product quality may vary. The fabric, stitching, and overall finish may not always match the promotional photos. Sizing can be inconsistent. Like many online boutiques, sizing may differ between items, so checking the size chart is essential. Return policies deserve careful review. Before ordering, understand the refund process, return conditions, and any return shipping costs. So, should you buy from Styleharbora? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the clothing and understand the store's policies, it may be worth trying. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or discounted prices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.